Greetings, traders. I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. I am now at another hotel. I am in a very cheap hotel. This place costs about 32 US dollars per night. It's a very small little place, just with a bed and a bathroom. It's very, very small here. And it's only $32 a night. And the reason why I'm here is because I got very sick from staying at the condo that night. And I was going to do the course the next day, and I had to go to the hospital. And I cannot go back to the condo again. And there's a structural engineering problem, and the fumes are out of control, and I've been being poisoned there, is what's happening. And I'm still very, very sick right now. I'm very weak and can't eat and throwing up, and all kinds of really bad stuff is happening to me. I am just trying to recover right now and get myself better. And but unfortunately, there's no possible chance I'm gonna be able to go back to that condo again. The smell is going to last for a long, long time. And they used an illegal epoxy paint and resin all over the floor and the walls. And it's illegal to use that indoors because it will keep smelling for years. For 2 years, it'll keep smelling. That's why it's illegal to use that indoors. But they used it. They used it here because there are no rules here, okay? There could be a million rules here and it wouldn't matter. There's no enforcement of any rules here whatsoever. Any rules whatsoever of any kind. There is no enforcement whatsoever. This is the wild, wild west. And if you are a criminal anywhere in the world, I highly recommend that you move to Phuket, Thailand, because you will be able to do any crime that you wish to do here, and absolutely nobody will stop you in any way, shape, or form. There are no police here, period. No such a thing doesn't exist. So, anyway, my point is this. I have to find another place to live. I have to get movers to come get me and move me out. And then once I get set back up again, I can record the course. I'm really sorry about this, but you saw that beautiful place I have. I pay $3,000 a month for that. You saw my television, my $5,000 television, my 6 monitor setup, my $5,000 computer, my other $3,000 computer. You've seen it all, right? I also have a Ninja over there, a motorcycle, a $7,000 Ninja. I have all this stuff over there, and I cannot go back there again because they have poisoned me. And the management does not care. They don't care. They lie and say there's no problem at all. And so that's that. So I'm going to use my money and my power to get out of there, and I will get into a new place, and then I will record the course for all of you. I really apologize about this. I'm very, very sorry. This is the first time I have ever gone back on my word to any of you before. I've always kept my word on every single thing that I have ever said. And now I am gonna have to go back on my word, and I'm very sorry about that. But this is out of my control. There's nothing I can do. So what I'm gonna do is what I can do. I will get out of there. I will get set up, and I will get the course done as soon as I can. I'm not gonna give you a date on this because I do not know. It is high season here in Phuket, Thailand. It is coming up on Christmas time. It is going to be extremely difficult to find a place. But I will do the best that I can, and I will find a place. Probably what I'm going to do, though, I'm just going to find a temporary place, get the course done for all of you, and then what I'm going to do is move back to Bangkok. I'm going to move back to Bangkok because Bangkok is far more professional than this place. This place may be beautiful, and it may look like a paradise, but there are very serious problems here. Just today, almost got into another accident. A guy almost hit me. 2 days ago, 3 days ago, a guy hit me from behind on a motorbike. Just prior to that happening, a guy had almost hit me from another car. I mean, it happens here every single day, all day long. This is the most dangerous place in the world to drive an automobile. And I don't want to be here anymore. I am going to go back to Bangkok, where it is safe, it is civilized, it is professional, it is so many good things about Bangkok. It may not be the beautiful paradise that it is here, but it is far better to live and work in Bangkok. Phuket is a great place to come to as a tourist, to stay at a hotel, to take taxis or tuk-tuks where you want to go. Perfect for that. Beautiful place. But to live here and deal with all of the unprofessionalism and all of the driving, nobody knows how to drive here, it is really, really bad. Extremely dangerous. And I've almost been killed too many times. So I am going to move back to Bangkok. Anyway, hang in there, everybody. I promise you, I will have the Code 3 course done as soon as I possibly can, and I will update you on what's going on when I know more. Let me find a place and get into it first. So for now, just hang tight, everybody. Give me a little more time. I'll get it done. Take care out there, everyone, and happy trading.